Okay, well, I don't know if you can see this, but I have that connected to this. Hopefully I don't hurt myself, because I don't know if this battery can last. But this, I connected it. I found a way to connect that to this, and so it's connected. Now, this thing is very weak, but I'm just using a 9-volt, and I don't know how I did this. Like, I'm amazed. But, hold on, maybe if I can move this towards the sunlight so I can actually pick up this stuff. Okay. So, I have to hold it like that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but do this, and then I connect it. Oh, hold on. Okay. Ready for this? Be amazed. That's just how fast this can go. Just from a little engine. So, oh my god. If I could just find another one of these that could be more powerful, take that part off, including this piece, and then like put it into this, I could probably do something. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my, I